As crime continues to take a toll on the parish of St. James, the tour by the Minister of National Security, Dr. Horace Chang, and the Commissioner of Police, Major General Antony Anderson, was disrupted on Thursday morning, when armed men invaded a store along Gloucester Avenue, now Jimmy Cliff Boulevard. The gunmen robbed the proprietors, and local and overseas customers of cash and other valuables. Indian national Bhasker Sharu, a popular justice of the peace, who operates the store, Spice World, said that he is still in shock from the incident. "I have been at this location since the past 18 years, and this is the first something like this has ever happened," Sharu said. "It is very hard to come to terms that we were robbed during the visit of the Commissioner of Police, and the Minister of National Security, and in the middle of the preparation for the Gloucester Avenue to be renamed to Jimmy Cliff Boulevard." The road was officially renamed later Thursday. He said that crime in the parish is definitely out of hand. "We definitely need more security personnel along Gloucester Avenue. We needs proper camera system, and more police in this area on a daily basis," he said. "It is very hard to know that this took place in a supermarket, which was filled with tourists and locals." However, he was grateful, as things could have been more serious. Tourists could have been seriously hurt, and to think that these gunmen are brave enough to come here, they will soon consider on robbing the hotels, he said. About 10:40 a.m., 4 men armed with handguns forced their way inside the establishment. The gunmen placed all the employees and shoppers to lie on the floor before robbing them. They then robbed the cashier, and a duty tour bus operator of his licensed firearm. The police confirmed the incident, and indicated that they have now launched a full investigation into the robbery.